The three biggest problems for home sellers that want to move up to their next home is it's very challenging to get the equity out of their existing home to make their new purchase at the right time. You can go contingent, then your offer is rejected, meaning contingent on the sale of your existing home. I'll buy your home when I sell my home. And the seller says, no, I got a cash buyer, I'll take that. Or number two, you end up having to make a double move, meaning I'm going to pull the equity out of my existing home, cash out, move into a temporary home, and then I'll move into the new home. And nobody wants to do the double move. You have 3 kids, a dog, and a cat. It's just a pain. And number 3 is the trapped equity. You have equity in your existing home, but you have no access to it to make the purchase for the other home. In any case, we have the problem solved. It's the buy before you sell program available at the Kaminsky Real Estate Group. And what we are able to do is unlock your equity now in your existing home to allow you to purchase your next home without being contingent. This removes the rejection of offers because you're writing a contingent offer. It frees up capital and cash for you to make that purchase and put the down payment. Additionally, cover your closing costs, cover your moving costs, and any fix-up costs that you want to put in the new home or the existing home. You can take that excess equity and use it to update your existing home, stage it, and make it even more saleable for more money than it would have if you were just living there. The Buy Before You Sell program can get you to your new home now. You no longer have to wait. In this short video, this is what we're going to cover. Why clients leverage the Kaminsky Group Buy Before You Sell program. Number 2, how the program works. Number 3, frequently asked questions. And number 4, the next steps. So to introduce you to the Buy Before You Sell program, this is a powerful program designed for buyers just like you. Together with us, we help you move into your new home with speed and certainty while getting you the strongest possible offer for your old home. What are the benefits of the Buy Before You Sell program? Number 1, you get the unlocked equity from your home. 2, you can make a strong offer on your next home without a home sale contingency, which is what actually can kill the opportunity to move to that next home. Number 3, you get to avoid renting or moving twice. And number 4, you're going to get the maximum price on your existing home. So many homeowners like you need to tap into their equity on your current home to purchase your next home. With the Buy Before You Sell, you can do just that and have the best possible outcome for your transaction. So how does it work? Let's go through it. So there's 3 simple steps that happen. 1, you unlock the equity in your existing home. 2, you buy your next home with confidence and without a double move. And number 3, you maximize the sale price on your current home. Let me explain how it works. The first thing that happens is we will come by and evaluate your home. We're going to take some photographs, complete a full report, and turn it into the company we partner with, who will determine how much equity they will give you for your purchase of your next home. They will give you up to $2 million in equity based on the value of your home. That equity is what you use to purchase your next home. Additionally, you can use that equity to update your existing home if it needs anything, whether it's paint or flooring, or just simply prepping it and staging it for sale. The biggest benefit with this, of course, is when your home is vacant and staged and perfect, it will likely sell for more money than it would if you were living there. Although this program has a cost as low as 1.7% of the sale price of your home, most sellers are earning 2, 3, 4, 5% more in the sale of their home, making it actually a profitable choice when they use this program. Plus, they're able to negotiate a better purchase price on their new home because of this program. So when you can come in non-contingent, you can be a tougher negotiator as a buyer. Most people are coming in contingent have to offer way more than they really want to in order to get the home. By using this program, you're saving money on your purchase and making money on the sale of your home. And to wrap this up, if you're a homeowner who's had your offers rejected because you're contingent, or you absolutely refuse to have to make a double move, and you need to tap out of some equity from your home to prep your home for sale, this program is probably a good option to look at. If you want to see if your home qualifies for the Buy Before You Sell program, just click below, put in your information, and we'll let you know there's no obligation whatsoever to find out if it works for you.